Today I'm sharing some great kitchen finds with you all. Every single one is so useful that I wish I had discovered them sooner. They boost happiness and efficiency. So let's take a look. I recently bought a multifunctional smart pot lid that fits almost all the pots of various sizes in my home. It fits different sizes of woks, as well as those that didn't come with a lid. Frying pans, Yukihira pots, and even enamel pots are all compatible. You can see the cooking status of the food through the middle. The step design provides a very tight fit. It can stand upright for storage, and you can even rest chopsticks on it, so the countertop is no longer messy. This multifunctional enamel pot is beautiful but definitely not just for show. It works on both open flames and induction cookers without getting scorched. It comes with a frying basket, making deep frying convenient and oil efficient, unlike large pots that require half a bucket of oil. Plus, you can just hook it onto the side of the pot to drain the oil. The lid can also be used directly as a tray to serve food on the table. It can also be used as a small pot for one, which is super convenient for cooking noodles or vermicelli. You can eat directly from it after cooking, saving you from washing an extra bowl. It can also be used for cold salads or storage, acting as a fruit and vegetable crisper, and they can be nested for storage after use. This little clip looks plain, but it is truly incredibly useful. It feels as flexible as an extension of your hand. The triangular design at both ends of the clip, combined with the non-slip texture on the jaws, makes it easy to grip food of all sizes, even round eggs. The scissor-like structure makes it very stable with just a gentle squeeze. It can also perform some delicate operations and is very flexible. You can just set it down after use without it sticking to the countertop. I also want to share this beautiful, multifunctional pot that has brought my whole family great happiness. It handles hot pot, steaming, stewing, frying, and grilling all in one. It's a real workhorse. The 5-liter large capacity deep pot combined with high power means that when the family or friends gather for hot pot, it's ready in less than 10 minutes. So you don't have to wait eagerly. Swap in the grill plate to make delicious grilled meat. The deep ridges on top filter out excess grease, resulting in less oil, less smoke, and no oil splattering. Switch to the flat plate for quick, everyday breakfasts without needing to turn on the stove. Even better, it comes with a food-grade PP double-layer steamer, saving you the cost of a steamer pot. The high heat generates steam quickly, and the steamed food doesn't get soggy. Plus, the detachable structure makes both cleaning and storage very convenient. Who would believe that high-speed blenders can now refrigerate? I must share this amazing integrated multifunctional high-speed blender with fellow lazy people like me. It has a built-in ice core, so you don't have to wait half an hour for the soy milk to cool down. It comes out at the perfect temperature. You don't need to add ice cubes for juice. It comes out chilled and refreshing. It features a large capacity independent water tank, allowing for the separation of water and ingredients. You don't have to worry about bacteria growing from soaking too long in the summer. Just add good water and ingredients the night before. Set a timer with one click, and it will be ready automatically when the time comes. The resulting soy milk is rich, creamy, and smooth, with no gritty texture. The juice it makes is also of professional quality. My favorite part is that it automatically performs high temperature, high pressure steam cleaning and hot air sterilization after every use. It cleans incredibly well without you having to lift a finger. It's truly amazing. Even better, it also functions as an instant hot and cold water dispenser. From ice water to boiling water, it meets all your temperature needs. Whether you're making formula, tea, or instant noodles, you don't have to wait. It's so powerful. After buying many small carts, I finally found the perfect storage basket cart. It has a beautiful vintage style and a large 3-tier capacity. It has a back panel, so it holds more than drawer-style carts. And it comes with smooth universal wheels. I use it at home to store all the bottles and jars in the kitchen that don't need to be in the fridge. It also holds the